Hello, my name is Jacqueline Viadero. Today I'm going to explain in a simple way how I create my CV and I send it by email to apply for a position as a digital marketing manager in an international company. And now I'm going to show you my CV. First, I start with my personal information. I include my full name, phone number, email address, and location. After that, I wrote a short about me section where I describe my professional profile. I say I am a digital marketing professional with experience in managing online campaigns, social media strategies, and content creation. I have a strong leadership and analytical skills, and I am passionate about helping companies grow in international markets through digital solutions. Then I added my main skills because these are very important for this role. Next, I include my work experience. I say I manage digital campaigns, increase social media engagement, and create content strategies. These experiences show my ability to work in real projects. After that, I include my education. Finally, I organize all the information. This is my CV, as you can see. It includes all the important sections like my personal information, my skills, my education, and my experience, presented in a clear and organized way. Now, moving on to the email. I start with a policy rating saying, Dear Hiring Manager, I want to apply for the position of digital marketing manager. Please find attached my resume for your consideration. I also highlighted one of my strengths by saying that I have experience in digital marketing and I am confident I can contribute to the company. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to hearing from you. And then I ended with best rate, best read. So before sending the mail, I checked everything carefully and made sure that my CV was attached correctly. So basically, that's how I create my CV and send it by email in a professional and effective way. Thank you for your watch.